We'll guide you through how to update Android Auto. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's a good idea to go and keep it up to date and make sure it is, just so it's got the latest features, fixes, and more. So we're going to guide you through how this is done. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this video. So let's go and get started. So what we need to do is you want to go and open up the Play Store. So you can go and find that on your home screen and go and tap on it. Then you can go and press search at the bottom, and we can go and press search at the top, and you want to go and type in Android Auto, and you can go and search for it and go and find it. You may go and see an update option here, or you can go and press the three dots and make sure enable auto update is selected to go and keep it up to date. And what I also recommend you do is you come into your settings and you want to go and find the option for updates. You can go and press software update and go and press download and install, just to make sure the entire device is up to date as well.